First of all, my name is Matshidiso Kgansi, the person who have started the organization or the company called Kgansi Development and Consulting. The purpose and the reason why we started this organization actually was around the issue of mental health, where we have realized that mental health is one of the program that is not yet come to the light, especially within our community where people are not yet, informed or aware of these mental health issues or your mental health disorders. So as Kgansi Development and Consulting, what we are doing, we aim to improve mental health services by providing, that accessible and compassionate help to the people who are affected by this mental health disorder. At the same time, we focus on innovative various services that are tailored to an individual, where we provide the support, where we provide the care to that individual person, and we also foster support through a safe environment to those people who are affected. And mostly what we are also doing, we promote mental wellness and resilience through various services. So that's what we are saying as Kgansi Development. This is what we are dealing in terms of mental health, because we are trying to bring this to the light to the people, and so that we assist people who are unable to go to other service providers because of the funds, because of what. So that's where we come in and assist you, and then refer you properly to where you can get more assistance. Remember, as this organization, we don't prescribe the medication, but all what we can do, we can assist you through assessment and check what kind of disorder do you have and what kind of assistance do you need, and then we'll then refer you to that appropriate services where you need to be. When we talk of mental health, we talk of a state of well-being. Now, the state of well-being we refer to physically, psychologically, emotionally, and spiritually. That then we are saying, if that the state of well-being, the healthiest of those things, then we are saying mental health. But most importantly, my brother, it's when you think properly. Your thinking must be properly positive thinking. Once you have that positive thinking, then you say, okay, this person, the state of his mental health, it's in a good state.